identify the key objectives, targets, and action plans supporting achievement of the energy plan detailed below. This can identify the top 2 areas of electricity use with focus on the largest loads.
Correct.
Usage of high energy equipment is specifically monitored to assess its contribution to overall energy performance of the organization.
बिल्कुल.
See the register of high energy use equipment detailed below. While specific action plans will vary from year to year, certain common themes continue from one year to the next.
ठीक है.
Ensuring building seasonal cooling and heating patterns continue to match the occupancy hours. ये सही है एकदम.
बिल्कुल.
The concerned department to identify opportunities for achieving 5% annual energy savings as part of their normal duties to be transferred to user department.
बिल्कुल. ये पॉसिबल है.
ठीक है सर.
ये पॉसिबल है ना. This is possible, right?
हाँ, this is possible, sir.
Okay.
5% reduction per year. We have already committed in other paras also, ना? तो ये उसके साथ मैच कर जाएगा.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
Primary responsibility for delivering the overall annual action plan rests with the energy and environment manager and energy and environment team, supported by the engineering team.
बिल्कुल.
ठीक है सर.
बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल.
ठीक है सर.
बिल्कुल. नेक्स्ट.
सर आ रही है आवाज?
हाँ, मैंने म्यूट किया था क्योंकि पीछे से कुछ आवाज आ रहा था मेरे को. हाँ.
अच्छा, ये ठीक है ना सर?
हाँ, बिल्कुल ठीक है सर.
अब ये देखें. The improvement in energy performance will be measured and verified using the meters and sub-railway depot meters relevant to the area and utilities concerned.
बिल्कुल.
As recorded in the system link energy manager database.
बिल्कुल.
अब इसमें एनर्जी प्लान आ जाएगा. ठीक है. हाई एनर्जी यूज इक्विपमेंट रजिस्टर आ जाएगा. ठीक है. एनर्जी रिव्यू. Every month, a report is prepared to identify total electricity consumption to date and a revised forecast of savings to the end of railway depot's financial year.
बिल्कुल.
These monthly reports are reviewed every quarter at the TFE meetings to assess progress against the overall electricity consumption target for March 2022.
Okay.
The report uses the official government figures for Scope 1 and Scope 2 of electricity consumption per kilowatt hour used by the railway depot. ये क्या सर Scope 1 and Scope 2?
सर हम इसको दो इससे हम बांटेंगे. एक होगा कि what will be the measurement and what is expected.
Right.
तो एक होगा फिगर्स जो ऑफिशियल गवर्नमेंट फिगर से हम लेते हैं, जैसा बिलिंग आता है, जहां हमें बिल पे करते हैं उससे आ जाता है. दूसरा होता है हमारा फिजिकल इंटरवेंशन जो हम करते हैं कि मीटर्स को चेक करते हैं, मीटर्स का कैलिब्रेशन चेक करते हैं, मीटर्स का मेंटेनेंस क्या हो रहा है चेक करते हैं. तो इसीलिए क्योंकि सिर्फ बिल से हम बांटेंगे तो हो सकता है हमारा मेजरमेंट कैन बी लिटिल बायस्ड. तो इसीलिए हम दो स्कोप बना लेते हैं.
ठीक है. It should be noted that for electricity, the transmission and distribution emissions are also included. The total kilowatt hour for electricity consumed is recorded in the systems link database.
ठीक है.
In addition, there are quarterly safety, health, environment, and energy meetings held with the railway depot with user representative at which the energy uses in those departments' key buildings and/or processes is reported. These reports cover electricity consumption. ठीक है. Building report compare present usage with the previous 3 years worth of data.
Where available.
Where available to help identify any issues and to review the results of energy efficiency projects. Okay. Where building performance is heavily affected by the intermittent use of energy intensive equipment within it, that effect is noted. ठीक है. Facilities managers for each building are encouraged to identify areas where their buildings will benefit from energy efficiency projects.
ठीक है.
All such opportunities are recorded with which also keep a record of completed projects which can be reviewed by year, building and technology type.
Right.
These opportunities are then investigated to see if they can be implemented within payback time and cost per kilowatt hour of electricity consumed.
बिल्कुल.
Energy performance indicators. Railway depot has two energy performance indicators. The long-standing indicator is for total electricity consumed, where the target is by end of March 2022 to have achieved a 5% reduction compared with 2020 baseline.
आप अगर
It is
पहले का भी
reviewed on
लेना,
an annual.
अब इसका पहले का भी लेना चाहते हैं तो ले सकते हैं आप, मिस्टर कॉलेज से और कॉलीग से पूछ लीजिए आप.
अच्छा ठीक है जी.
ठीक, ओके.
It is reviewed on an annual basis at the end of each financial year to ensure progress is on track and that plans for the coming year will continue to maintain the necessary progress. The total energy use recorded in the systems link database is used to calculate the total kilowatt hour.
बिल्कुल.
This indicator does not allow for any change resulting from activity growth or adverse weather conditions.
Perfect.
To meet requirements of ISO 50001-2018, a second performance indicator was agreed in 2021. This second indicator is the energy intensity in kilowatt hour per meter square of floor area relating to buildings adjusted for degree days.
Yeah. So ये जो adjusted for degree days is basically a technical word which is primarily linked to your seasonal changes of electricity consumption. During cold days you have a different electricity consumption. During the peak summer days you have a different consumption. During the rainy days, वैसे I mean to my knowledge not much rains are there, but then we cannot defactor. Okay.
Right.
There may be 10 to 15 rain days. So we need to also understand what is the consumption happening during the rain days. Complete switch off is not possible, but we really don't know unless we see the figures.
Right. Energy baseline. The railway depot's energy baseline for its electricity consumption target is defined in the energy management plan beginning in 2021 and adjusted to take account of the sale or acquisition of any assets in the interim. The annual kilowatt hour, annual conversion factors used, and a chart tracking progress against the key energy performance indicator are all extracted from the template and saved in energy baseline summary.xlsx file.
That's fine.
The energy baseline for kilowatt hour per meter square indicator is the railway depot's performance in 2021-22 and the degree days for that year.
Okay.
Energy consumption and energy baseline summary आ जाएगी.
Okay.
Planning for collection of energy data. Key characteristics of the railway depot's operations which determine energy performance are monitored, measured and analyzed at planned intervals.
Okay.
The fundamental tool for this work is the energy database into which all automatic AMR profile, manual, direct and invoice data gathered is entered for all meters.
Okay.
The energy database contains data going back more than 10 years and is capable of producing numerous graphs and comparisons with earlier years for each data point.
Okay.
The vast majority of meters on site are sub-railway depot meters used to give greater granularity of data and to enable month-on-month and year-on-year comparisons to be made. The meter design guide requires that all new meters installed meet the required legal requirements to allow billing to be done from them.